Two beautiful deer that come every day, whether during the day or at night, to feed off my garden. And I love it. I don't want to scare them. They're eating the seeds off the bird seeds that are there, or my garden, and I love it. They're adorable, and they come every day. They usually come during the day, but they came to visit tonight. Two beautiful does. Such beautiful, majestic, gentle creatures. I love them.